In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a dynamic and engaging hero section for your website on the Wix platform. This is a fundamental skill for making your website visually appealing to visitors and driving engagement. Let me guide you through this process, ensuring you can create the most effective and eye-catching hero section. To start, you'll want to access your Wix editor. To do this, first, locate and select the specific page you want to make edits to in your Wix editor interface. This would be the page where you want to add the hero section. Once you have opened the desired page in your Wix editor, look for the space provided at the top of your page. This space will appear just below the header of your page. Here, hover your mouse cursor carefully over this top space and look for the blue button tagged Plus Add section. Go ahead and click this button. Upon clicking the Plus Add section button, you should notice a left side panel springing up. This new panel is where you'll find a variety of possible categories for your new page section. Look through these categories and select the Welcome category. As it turns out, this category is specifically designed and targeted for hero sections. It's just what you need to start crafting a captivating hero section. On clicking the Welcome category, you will be introduced to a plethora of pre-designed layouts. Take your time here, gently scroll through the various layouts on display. These layouts come with different creative features, including large images, videos, titles, and button designs. Choose the layout that resonates with your creative imagination and feel the satisfaction as you get a step closer to creating your perfect hero section. Once you have selected a design, adding it to your page is as easy as a few clicks or a simple drag and drop. Just hit on your chosen design, and like magic, it automatically populates at the top of your page. If you fancy the drag and drop method, grab your chosen design and gently drag it onto your page. Now that your chosen design is on your page, your journey to creating a perfect hero section reaches the fun phase: customizing your chosen design. To customize, simply click on all the design elements, such as the title, paragraph, and button. You can customize everything here. Edit the text to suit your taste, change the background image or video to match your brand, and even create a hyperlink for your button. There it is. And just like that, you have successfully created an attractive hero section for your website with Wix. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. So keep practicing and keep